This is the Mercury aerial assortment. I got this from Porter's Fireworks in Evanston, Wyoming. Let's see what's inside of it. Starting off with the lightning flash, 4 pieces, monster snaps, they're just poppets, the actual real-life poppets, monster blasts, five morning glories, 4 magical Roman candles, 5 balls each, some single shots, sky shooters, kind of a purple one, mini display shell, silver crackling chrysanthemum with red tail, crackling peony with red and yellow tail, red star with red tail, squash fountain, and color pearl 7 shots. And that is the Mercury assortment from TNT.